Hello, my name is Kathy Flaminio, and I am the CEO and founder of MoveMindfully. And we are a training and consulting company that brings the science of mindfulness, movement, and social emotional learning into simple trauma responsive practices that are used in schools, hospitals, we're in juvenile services, we're in childcare settings, corporate settings, and even in the home. And I'm super grateful to be a part of the Integrative Education Conference. I will be presenting a day training, Safe to Engage, Maximizing Learning with MoveMindfully Practices. And in this workshop, we're really going to explore the how and why of trauma responsive mind-body practices to create a sense of safety, not only with the children, youth, and families, but with us as adults. We know that our nervous system is the curriculum, or our nervous system is the intervention. So we've created simple visuals that we'll be using our therapeutic card deck, which breaks down these easy and accessible trauma responsive breathe, move, rest practices to use with children, youth, and families. So I hope you can join us. In this workshop, we really are going to take Dr. Stephen Porges's polyvagal theory in understanding safety and understanding the vagus nerve and what interventions might be really helpful for both ourselves and the children, youth, and families. And Dr. Bruce Perry's neurosequential model of therapeutics, regulate, relate, reason, to really understand how can you create these mind-body practices throughout the day, creating safe space in the classroom or in the therapeutic office, and what safe space really looks like with you. So I'm going to stop talking for a second, and we're going to do one activity. So I'm going to have you rub your hands together, shake them off, place your feet on the floor, and then we're going to place our hand on our frontal cortex and the back of our brain. And we're just going to take one slow breath. And when we can do these simple practices, it allows us to be present. And our presence is the intervention. So I hope you can join us. Look forward to meeting you.